Hi guys, welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Joe Lasher and I'm excited to be here with you at the beautiful Crest Center in Asheville, North Carolina. Ingles is a big deal in the Lasher household. They've been huge in helping my son launch his music career, and they've been great sponsor of the charity Backyard Bow Pro, which I co-founded to connect hunters and farmers to feed the hungry. And they even helped me regain control of my diet and lose over 45 pounds. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite recipes with you that helped me do it. We're making my lemon pepper chicken with spinach and zucchini noodles. So let's get started. So what we have here is some fresh chicken from the Ingles meat department. In my weight loss journey, I tell you what, the lean protein that the chicken provides and the fresh produce from the Ingles market was truly instrumental. So let's get started. What I've got is about 1.5 pounds of chicken tenderloins. I've already trimmed those and got them ready to go. I'm gonna take my 1 gallon freezer bag, dump those chicken tenders right into there. Then we're gonna take about 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. We have our Lynn olive oil. We're just gonna dump that right into the bag. And then we're gonna take some lemon pepper seasoning, and we're going to basically liberally dump that into the bag. Seal it up. Get the air out of it as best you can. Seal it up, and then we're just going to move that around. Smash it all around so that seasoning gets in there good and that olive oil gets in there throughout the bag. Now once this is done, we're going to take this and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. So let's go do that. All right, now that we've got that chicken marinating in the fridge, we're gonna go ahead and take this spiralizer, and I'll show you what that does in just a moment, and we're gonna take some fresh zucchini and squash from New Sprout Farms, regional to Western North Carolina, and we're gonna make some zucchini squash noodles. And the reason we do that, or I like to do that, is to replace the pasta, okay? We don't have all the carbs involved, and you have some great flavor and great texture. So it's much healthier. So now that we have our noodles made, it's time to move on over to the cooktop. All right, here we are at our cooktop. Our chicken's ready to go. It's been in the fridge for about an hour, marinating. We got the cooktop nice and hot, so we're gonna add a little oil to this flat top, and then we're just gonna take this chicken right out of the bag and dump it straight on, and we'll listen to that sizzle. Just gonna get rid of that. We're gonna move it right around, make sure that we get it all on there, cooks evenly. Look at that lemon pepper seasoning. I wish you could smell it. It's delicious. I used, again, the chicken tenders from the Ingles meat department. You can get boneless, skinless breasted chicken, I would recommend, and do the same thing. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this chicken off. I'm just gonna set it on my cutting board here. Try not to drop too much of it. I'll go ahead and cut the heat off of this thing. And again, that's that lemon pepper seasoning. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. I'm gonna set that to the side until she's ready for the main act. So, now we're gonna get my 5-quart pan with the lid here. Before I do that, I'm gonna get some heat going. I'm gonna put that on about medium high. You know, outdoor cooking, it's always a little bit different it's a lot different than being in your kitchen. So, but about medium high is where you would start in the kitchen, and we'll see how it goes out here. I'm gonna put, again, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I know it seems like a lot of olive oil that we're using in this, but we've got to get these noodles soaked. We got to get the spinach wilted, so it's gonna really end up being used up. Now I've got some minced garlic. You can use fresh cloves and put it right into there, but I've got some minced garlic, and I'm gonna just put this in, and I'm telling you, I don't think you can use too much. Grandma Vertuzzi would be proud of me. I'm actually gonna hit this just a little bit more. Olive oil. Got my tongs, gonna mix that up, and it's already starting to brown just a little. I'm gonna take my spinach. Don't be afraid. Put that spinach, a lot of little spinach goes a little way, and a lot of spinach goes a little way. So go big on your spinach. And if you've never wilted spinach before, it's probably the easiest thing you could ever do. Put it in the pan and let the heat do the work. Let that wilt down. Now at this point, I like to do a little salt and pepper. I like the salt and pepper now, all to taste. Probably a little more than some people, but I like salt. And you know what I like? Garlic. Watch that. Here we go. Once we get that pretty wilted, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a good handful of noodles. Gonna drop that in there. Just cover the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to take our chicken that I've set to the side. I'm going to run that right in there, just like so. Hear that sizzling? Ew. Look at that. Now I'm just going to throw just a little Italian seasoning on top of that, mainly for some color. We got a lot of lemon pepper. We already got a lot of seasoning happening in there, but I like to just put that on for some color in the presentation. And all right, we are pretty much there with this. I'm gonna cover this up and let it go about another 60 seconds, not too much. I'm gonna cut the heat off of it. We're gonna move right over here to the table and plate it up. All right, we've just come off of the cooktop. We're gonna take the lid off of this guy. Boy, those noodles look amazing, and that chicken, that spinach is wilted just perfectly. Let's take this right here. Look at that. Grandma Bertuzzi will be proud. Look at that. Chicken on top. Then we're going to take just, set this to the side. I'm going to take some Italian cheese blend from the Ingles dairy department, put right over top of that, and then some fresh lemon balm out of my own garden. All right. Guys, this is a delicious meal that you and your family are going to love as much as I do. And Ingles makes it so easy. Thanks for spending a little time with me today. Make sure and check out the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. And check out Ingles Table on Tour for a great look at Backyard Bow Pro. I'll see you next time.